Bitcoin is once again trapping a lot of traders. Literally yesterday we were getting cautious in the market because of this bearish divergence. It is playing out. We have gotten our push back towards the downside and right now we are developing this falling wedge pattern. So still the market is looking quite bullish. Most people will not be ready to buy this current Bitcoin dip and in a few days we will be headed even higher again. Just like we have been doing in the past previous times. In my opinion, we are just going to be repeating our current price action and in a few days we are just going to be breaking out back towards the upside and push even higher than these previous highs. So we need to be talking exactly about why I think so and more things, because on a macro level Bitcoin is starting to look very good. So guys, without any further ado, let's have a look into what's that imminent short term. And what we can be seeing over here is that Bitcoin's price is still getting compressed inside of this ascending triangle. Now you could also have a look into what's this like in rising wedge pattern towards the upside, and this would be more kind of a bearish pattern, but most definitely the trend right now is towards the upside. So in my opinion there is no real reason to be really getting bearish on the Bitcoin price. As you can be seeing all of the time, we are creating higher lows, and as long as we are not going to be breaking this structure, as long as we're not going to be breaking below this support level, well, I'm not really going to be very bearish. Yes, of course, yesterday we were getting a little bit more cautious because of this bearish divergence that beautifully, by the way, played out. Well, still in the midterm I am definitely rather more bullish right here, as long as we remain to trade inside of this uptrend. Now most definitely we are going to be having a look in towards this breakout to either direction, and in the imminent short term we are going to be having a look in towards this falling wedge pattern being created. If we are going to be breaking this one out towards the upside, definitely I do think once again we are going to be headed towards our previous highs. And whenever we are going to be doing that, well, in a few days we'll be headed even higher than these previous highs. And then if we are going to be headed even higher, well, we are going to be creating this massive breakout, most probably with a daily candle close above this resistance, and then we are most definitely going to be headed even higher because these funding rates are still in neutral territories, indicating that majority of the market is still trying to short this Bitcoin pump. And we can be seeing this in our liquidation chart, because most definitely on the weekly scale we can be seeing that majority of that liquidity is definitely on the upper side. Yes, we do still have that momentum as well towards the downside, but most definitely majority of the liquidity is towards that top side. So yeah, for the imminent short term this is going to be the most important pattern to watch. As long as we can be remaining to hold our uptrend, I'm still going to be bullish right here. Of course, we have been beautifully calling every single move right there. In the past couple of weeks, the only move that I've not called pretty much is going to be this move right here. I definitely did think that at this moment we were going to be seeing a breakout, but after that, well, we created this symmetrical triangle, we broke it out towards the downside, and that was the point where I once again flipped bearish. Right there I flipped bullish, right there once again bearish. All of these bottoms we have basically been buying up, and once again also we have been getting cautious on all of these tops. So literally perfect price action right here for us, and if we were to be breaking this one out towards the upside again, I'm definitely ready to once again flip very bullish in the imminent short term. So guys, with that being said, let's have a look into what's a bit longer term price action for Bitcoin, because we are right now having a look into what's 7 weekly closes in the green. And the past 2 times Bitcoin has been doing this, well, it has been pretty much the start of the Bitcoin bull run. Literally, we are getting a lot of bullish momentum right now towards the upside, which is going to be indicating for me the beginning of a huge next bull run. Could Bitcoin history once again be repeating? But one thing is for sure, previous resistance is right now most definitely flipping in towards support, also on a weekly time frame, and still US dollar tether is being printed like crazy. We can still see that the market cap is going up and up and up. More tether is being printed, which is definitely a very good indication for the Bitcoin price that yes, we are still headed even higher. And on another note, while institutions are still buying, we can be seeing that the Bitcoin CME is currently trading at a huge premium. Well, currently it is sitting at about a $355 premium, but it has been on this huge premium. Institutions are bidding aggressively exclusively because they are doing this on the CME futures chart and not on spot Bitcoin. So definitely one thing is for sure, these institutions are right now buying up Bitcoin. I do expect that eventually it will get back towards the zero level, but definitely as of for now, this huge pump has definitely been created by these institutions buying up Bitcoin. And guys, I do want to be sharing with you this insane deal, because if you are going to be looking into what's trading Bitcoin right now in the imminent short term, I have this insane trade that you can right now claim for free. This $1,000 trade on Bybit, you can right now claim with these links and also with the link down in the description on either YouTube or Twitter as well. You can right now claim this free airdrop position worth $1,000. So yeah, if you are going to be interested in trading, this is right now a free trade that you can be right now taking with no risk involved, and you can try Bybit out. So guys, on that note, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me on Twitter. And guys, with that being said, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.